Hello everyone, so I'm gonna unboxing this light. So it is a Cope rechargeable kitchen light. Alright, so I bought it to make educational video. If I get interestedness, that time I will use. So now I'm unboxing. So how is this? Alright, so this is a light. Alright, it's a black light option to set a selfie stick or mobile tripod when you'll make a video. Alright, and here is another option, multi option for setuping, as you can see. And here is another option, multi option are available in this light. This color is white, this color is black color. And so how will you on this one? So you have to press here. Alright, so let's do it. Okay, so if you want to increase or decrease, so you can do it. Two things are available, you can increase and decrease. And here is charging port for charging, so this port is used. Alright, okay guys, so thank you so much for watching my unboxing videos.